Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji for everything. Shukrana Guruji for giving us a new day. Shukrana Guruji for making us a part of your Sangat. Shukrana Guruji for pardoning all the bad karmas we did. Shukrana Guruji for making us go with the right path. Shukrana Guruji for everything you have given us. Shukrana Guruji for those things which you have not given us. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, a very good afternoon to all the Sangat ji. I am myself Sheetal Aunty, and with Guruji's blessings, I'll be reading Light of Divinity in English today. Shukrana Guruji for selecting me to be a part of multilingual group. Shukrana Guruji for selecting me to narrate your lovely satsangs which are written in Light of Divinity book, and it is an honor to be a part of multilingual group. Shukrana Suresh Uncle for permitting me to be a part of multilingual group, and I really thank from the bottom of my heart for giving me the seva. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Sangaji, I have the new book with me, Light of Divinity, and the satsang that we will be reading today is, the topic is, a man is saved on his deathbed. The page number in the new book is 73. So kindly those who have the book Light of Divinity, please open page number 73, and just in case if you don't have the book, please listen to the satsang I am narrating. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, please help me to read properly so that whatever I read is audible to all your dear Sangat. And Sangatji, I'm sorry if I am stuck somewhere. Please pardon me. Pardon me, Guruji, if I am stuck anywhere. So let's get started. The topic: a man is saved on his deathbed. A family had been followers of Radha Swami for the past 45 years. One of them, Ashok Grover, was a devotee of Guruji. He received a call from his uncle that his father was on his deathbed and rushed home immediately. The father was hiccuping badly. The doctors declared that nothing could be done. Ashok, remembering Guruji, all the while rushed his father to Apollo Hospital, Delhi, where he was admitted in ICU. His blood sugar level was found to have touched 700. His intestines had stopped functioning and his hiccups were dying down. As was he, doctors declared that there was no hope, the patient should be taken back. Just then Ashok sensed that he was not required in the hospital, that his father was all right and there was nothing to worry about. He also had to leave for urgent work. Ashok thus left his father in the hospital without an attendant. He was occupied for 2 days and could not even call up the hospital. When he returned to the hospital, he found his father crying. He thought his father was depressed as he had been left alone. But Ashok was surprised when his father only asked him whether he had gone to Guruji. His father narrated how the moment his son had left him, he had left Guruji's presence through his fragrance. Guruji said, "और वही राधा स्वामिया की हाल है तेरे?" How are you, dear Radha Swami follower? The father said that thought he had prayed to Babaji of the Radha Swamis, it was Guruji who had come to rescue him. Guruji had then asked him to get the test done again. The investigations went on for 2 days. All this time Ashok's father felt Guruji's presence. When the reports came, the doctors were not able to detect any disease and were credulous of their investigations. They recommended an insulin dose, but Ashok's father refused. He said he did not believe in their remedies and would henceforth entrust him only for the biggest doctor, that is Guruji. After 1 week, Ashok's father came to Guruji. The Sadguru said in the same words, "और वही राधा स्वामिया की हाल है तेरे?" and told him that he had been granted a new life. Jai Guruji. After seeing how Guruji saved him, the family Parijar's life, all the family members began coming to Guruji, and now believe that they are in the safe hands of God Himself. Jai Guruji. Saving the devotees' business. Next satsang, the topic, saving the devotees' satsang business. Guruji once commanded Ashok to close his business, sell the factory and do away with the machines. Ashok knew that this was his command and had to be obeyed. It took him around 15 days to sell off everything. The old machines were sold at the buying price and the entire sale broke even. No one was able to foresee why Guruji had asked Ashok to act thus. 3 weeks down the line, the business was declared outdated and many incurred heavy losses. But Ashok was saved by God Himself. Obeying Guruji always pays, because He will only ask us to do something which is best for us. Jai Guruji. Next satsang, heeding a 10-year-old's wishes. The topic, heeding a 10-year-old's wishes. The satsang, the 10-year-old daughter of Ashok involved in preparations at Bade Mandir for Guruji's birthday in 2005. Desired intensely to have Guruji's darshan. Ashok requested a long-time devotee to bring his daughter to the temple. She came to Bade Mandir but was insistent that she go to Guruji at Empire State as well. However, no one took her to Guruji. The girl kept crying the whole night and prayed to Guruji for his darshan. The next day, to everyone's surprise, Guruji came to Bade Mandir. When Ashok told Guruji that his daughter was remembering Guruji last night, Guruji merely smiled and told him that he had come just to see her, since she remembered him. As a result of Guruji's blessings, the girl stood first in her exams and has remained a brilliant student ever since. These satsangs were narrated by a satsangi whose name is Ashok Grover Uncle. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Sangaji for taking out time to listen to this wonderful satsang of Ashok Uncle. I'm sorry for whatever mistakes I made today. Guruji, with Guruji's blessings, I will try and improve my reading further. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Suresh Uncle. Multilingual Facebook, Zoom platform is awesome, and with Guruji's blessings, it is touching the wonders. Guruji blessings to all the Sangaji, and take care of yourself. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. Blessings always, Guruji. Thank you, Suresh Uncle, for giving me this seva. Thank you, Guruji, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji.